Hey everybody, I just wanted to get on here to make sure that you remember how to use the home page. I know that we went over this during orientation, but there was a lot of information and I just want to double check that you remember how to use all of this. So remember, when you go through, if the little finger comes instead of the arrow on the mouse, it is something that you can click on. So if you click on me, you're going to see a video telling a little bit about me. If you click on Leia over here, you're going to go to Go Noodle for some fun things to get active and get moving. Padme will take you to some fun Star Wars activities. Jabba up here, I can't remember where Jabba takes you. Let me see. Oh, he takes you to some reading games on PBS Kids. Epic, that password, the class code for that is in that packet of passwords. If you can't remember it, please let me know and I'll send it to you. This is going to be a book that we're doing in social studies later this week, but you can watch the Best Part of Me book, the read aloud. It's not one that I did, but it's one that somebody else did. And then these are some other read aloud books that you can click on and watch the video. If you click on Dolly, it will take you to some facts about Great Danes. Now, I do want to show you the work hard and be kind sign. When you click on it, it's a check-in. So you put your name and just tell me how's it going. If you have a problem with something in the virtual learning, if there's just something you want to tell me that's going on, something fun you did, whatever you want to let me know, you just tell me how it's going and then you click submit. And you just click on the work hard and be kind sign for that. Now, to get to this video again, you'll click the little red question mark. I can't click on it right now because I've not uploaded this video yet. And finally, the pillow, it just takes you to a live feed of manatees in Florida. One of the things on my bucket list is I want to go swimming with manatees in Florida. And remember, if you click on the calendar days of the week, I'm going to Monday, and I click on Monday to-do list, and then it pops up all of your stuff you're working on this week. And so, remember, if it's highlighted yellow, it's a link to another site. And this one is a video. And this is our foundational skills video that I recorded. And there it comes up. And you just get to watch the video. So I just wanted to do this quick reminder of how to use our homepage and how you can go to lots of different links and fun different things just by kind of exploring and clicking around. I will be changing this from week to week. I won't always have all the same pictures. And one last thing, I almost forgot. Don't forget that these are our Google Meet icons. So when it's your time to listen to my read aloud as a whole group, click on your homerooms icon and you'll be there.